In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn with Shopify in just about 5 minutes. This guide is perfect for beginners and seasoned online entrepreneurs alike, offering a straightforward approach to getting started with one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Shopify's homepage. This is where your journey begins. The Shopify platform is designed to be user-friendly, but a clear path can make all the difference. Once you're there, you'll locate and click on the login button. This is pretty standard for site access, yet it's the gateway to personalizing your experience. Next up, you're prompted to enter your email address. Whether you're a returning user or signing up for the first time, this step is crucial for identification. Just type in your email and proceed. Following this, you'll be asked to enter your password. Remember, security is key, so make sure your password is strong but also something you'll remember. After entering your password, clicking login will take you directly into the heart of Shopify's administrative area. Once logged in, you might be eager to jump straight into the action. But there's an important step to take first. Going to My Store. This section, referred to as Home on Shopify, is the starting point for all your entrepreneurial activities. It's like the dashboard of your online business vehicle, where everything you need is displayed and accessible. Now onto the visually exciting part, choosing a theme. Shopify offers an array of themes to suit your business's style and ethos. Whether you're selling homemade crafts or high-tech gadgets, there's a theme that will make your products shine. Take your time browsing through the options. Remember, the first impression counts, and your theme sets the tone for customers' shopping experiences. By now, you've set up the stage. It's time to take your Shopify involvement up a notch by becoming a Shopify affiliate. This step opens up a world of opportunities to earn commissions by promoting Shopify itself. Whether you're a blogger, a social media influencer, or just someone who loves sharing valuable tools with others, the Shopify affiliate program could be a perfect fit. You'll need to sign up for the program specifically, so be sure to follow the necessary steps on the Shopify affiliate page. Finally, an essential piece of advice that could significantly influence your success on Shopify is choosing a product niche. A focused niche allows you to cater to a specific market segment, making your marketing efforts more targeted and effective. The key here is research. Take the time to understand market trends, consumer needs, and potential competition. This strategic approach not only helps in product selection, but also in tailoring your marketing messages and positioning your brand. Let's wrap things up with some extra tips for your Shopify adventure. First, remember that success doesn't happen overnight. It takes persistence, learning, and adapting to market needs. Take advantage of Shopify's abundant resources, like their blogs and tutorials, to continuously improve your store. Engage with your customers through meaningful interactions and solicit feedback whenever possible. After all, they're the ones who drive your business forward. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to get started with Shopify and embark on your e-commerce journey. Whether you're looking to build a side hustle or a full-time business, Shopify offers the tools and flexibility needed to succeed in the online marketplace. Don't forget, every big journey begins with small, well-planned steps. So go forth, explore, create, and innovate. The digital world is your oyster, and with Shopify, you've got a seasoned guide to help you navigate its vast opportunities. Thank you for tuning into this guide on how to earn with Shopify. Remember, the path to success is paved with learning and adaptation. Stay curious, stay motivated, and above all, stay focused on your goals. Here's to your success in the digital marketplace.